Hello everybody, this is Beijing Helen Company, and today we will introduce you how to do the treatment of the skin rejuvenation with this machine, 6-in-1 half, and it has one handpiece. It's named Microneedling. You can see that it uses the technology of needling, radio frequency, and vacuum to do the treatment. That has different types of the treatment head. Today I will use the 25 needle, this treatment head to do the treatment with this patient. And we have different. You can see that this is a nano treatment head to help the absorption of the sustenance nutrition for the skin. And this is one line treatment head to do the body parts like around the eyes, around the nose. And this is a big treatment head. It's to do the treatment for the body part. Okay, today I will show you how to do the treatment with these 25 needles to do the treatment on the face of the people. Okay, now let's learn something about the interface of this machine. Okay, sorry. You can see that there is on the interface of this machine, the last one is the microneedling interface. Then get into, you can see that on this screen, the left side there is 2 letters. F means the face, B means the body. On the there is 2 work model, manual and auto. This is times. Times is how many times that you have done the treatment with this treatment head. Time is a time. Okay. Normally we set the treatment time as 1 hour or 30 minutes. Depth is the deep. How deep that you do the treatment under the skin. You let the microneedling enter into the skin. Speed, okay. Look at the unit, it's a second. So it means the time that the microneedling releases the energy or radio frequency under the skin. Suction, okay. Suction, the difference between these 2 models, manual model and auto model, is about this suction. With manual model, you can see that on the treatment handle there is a button. The manual model, the operator controls the microneedling with this button. Okay, it means that when you click this button, when you press this button, the manual model. Let's show you. Okay, with the manual model, the operator controls the microneedling with this button. Start. Then, when you press this button, the needling will be released out. Okay, this is manual model. It has nothing to do with the suction. You can see that suction can be 0, can be 1, can be 2 with a manual model. But with the auto model, when you do the treatment with auto model, the suction will be always of the level 2. It can't be changed. It means that when you use the auto model, the operator will be the machine. Okay. When it means that it must form a vacuum, then the needling can be released out. can see that. Okay, it means that when you're doing the manual model, the operator controls the microneedling, but when you are doing the treatment with the auto model, the machine controls the microneedling. Okay, so it's easy. For the people who is not so professional, you can do it with the auto model. Okay, manual model. The suction. So radio frequency, it means the energy or radio frequency. Normally, we use it from 16 to 18 on the face to do the face treatment. But when you are doing the treatment to the body, you can use it a little higher. Okay, the energy, radio frequency energy, no matter to do the treatment for face or for body, it starts from 10 watts and stop with the 115 watts. But the depth, when you are doing the treatment on the body, the depth will be more deeper, will be deeper to 3.5 millimeter. But to do the treatment of the face, it's only 2 millimeter. Okay. So another thing, with the body interface, you can see that there's a cartoon to show you how this machine, how this treatment handle piece to get the result. Okay, you can see that. Firstly, the needling enter under the skin, pinch the skin, and then release the radio frequency energy to stimulate the collagen and fiber to form the new texture of the skin, to help to do the wrinkle removal, scar removal, and concentrate the pore enlarged, make the skin more lisa, more beautiful, and then to do the skin lightening, lifting. Okay, so now we are going to show you how to do the treatment. Firstly, we must make sure that the people can accept this treatment. People who can't accept this machine, this treatment, it includes women in pregnancy, women in the cycle of menstruation, people who has the hypertension, who has the diabetes, and who has the disease or heart disease like this, and who is very sensible. The skin is very sensible, and who has something like the cycle or has something in under the skin like Botox. You must do it after 8 months or 6 months. Okay, then clean the. After you make sure that this person can accept the treatment with microneedling, then clean the surface of the skin, apply the numbing gel. After 20 or 30 minutes, quit the numbing gel and do the disinfection, because it's a treatment invasive. Okay, so the needling enter under the skin. You must make sure that it's a disinfection skin, and then you can do the treatment. The hands and the treatment head must be disinfected. Okay, we must make sure the treatment is very safe. Then I will show you. I must make sure that so I will put the depth the minimum 1.2 millimeter to make sure that the microneedling won't pinch, won't. Okay. Okay, it's manual model. I must press the button to do the treatment. How do you feel?
我换个角度。在这个角度可以。
How do you feel? Okay. 疼吗？
有点。
The patient maybe feel a little pain, but it's normal. It's because that we have many nerves on the supradermis and the dermis. We are doing the treatment around the eyes, then extend the skin with the hand.都没给你打破。OK 了吗？Then I will show you how to do the treatment with auto model. That you may listen the sound of the vacuum of the air. You can see that the machine will control the needling and release them only when the machine checks the vacuum. The skin may leave a little redness and inflammation after the microneedling. It's normal. Don't be worried. How do you feel? 额头 on the forehead. You feel a little pain? Pain? 疼不疼? A little pain. So when you are doing the treatment, some area like around the eyes, around the nose, and on the forehead, maybe you should change it a little the depth, because the forehead and around the eyes, the skin there is very thin, is very thin. So you can reduce a little the depth or the energy.疼吗？
有一点。
我吸不住了。疼？可以了吗？不打。好了。
好了。
可以停了。